Dinosaurs, girls, and ice cream trucks were once my biggest fears, but now they're my greatest lessons.
There's a lot of things I've been afraid of for a long time, ever since I was little. Three of them happen to be dinosaurs, girls, and ice cream trucks. Yeah, I don't really like ice cream trucks that much because for one thing, when you see a ice cream truck pass by, they always have that weird, creepy jingle. It's like, ooh, man, I don't want to, go through that. So I just want to, just run. It's like, just run back into my house, and it's like, just hide and just drown out all that sound. It's like, leave me alone. The jingle, man. It's just out there. But it's not just, but in relation to the jingle, it's just the sound that just seems to be kind of irritating. It's not just the noise pitch or the noise level, the volume or anything like that. It's how the sounds, kind of just portray for like if it's like a certain melody or a certain chorus, or just got this weird vibe to it. That was one thing I've been kind of just afraid of. Just afraid that the music or the sound would not be suitable to my taste. I know it sounds really weird and just wrong, but that was true back then. I was kind of picky when it comes to those sounds, and I was just kind of afraid, saying, all right, is this the right sound for me, or is this the right music for me, or anything like that? That was one thing I was just kind of mostly afraid of. And next to that, for a while at the time, it was just trying new things, and trying new things when my mom and my dad, they would say, come on, let's get going, little buddy, and they kind of just say, pull me out from my comfort zone to try something else. Many of these experiences may end up in failure, but then again, there were some parts where I'm like, hey, this is not too bad. So that was just one thing I was just kind of mostly afraid of for a long time, was just these new experiences and just not knowing what to expect in the end. And nowadays, I really feel like trying these new experiences and just see how it goes. It may end up in failure, and it may end up in victory. The thing about that is that to me, when it ends up in failure, the feeling lasts about 24 hours. The feeling of victory, however, can last a lifetime.